Good morning, ma'am and sir. Have a nice morning. My name is Mary Grace Diaz. I'm going to 43-year-old. I am single mother with two kids, 19-year-old and 15-year-old. I'm working here in Hong Kong almost 7 years. My first employer is 4 years, finish contract, and the second employer is 2 years with finish contract, and this is my current employer is going to 1 year old this coming August. I'm hardworking, flexible. I know how to cooking, cleaning, take care kids and newborn and elderly and pet. I'm willing to work with newborn kids and elderly also. Then I need to find a new employer because my employer is I lost her job. That's why she talking to me about to need to find a new employer. She willing to me to talk to my new employer, and she giving me a release letter. Thank you very much, ma'am. I hope you can find to select me.